Yeah, okay. I think I'm very sorry for interruption. Yeah, it's loading now. Again, long story. You have to start the server and all. Let's see. Okay. Now I share my screen. Okay. So come on. Hmm, Okay. Let's go to terminal and start the server. Come on. So system testing my patience. Come on. Okay, we know URL 127 3000. Starting. Okay. Meanwhile, we'll start the code. Yeah, card over. Come on. Okay, now details we are actually okay. So in the card header, but we want design. Design is here. Okay. So here we need to have this badges. Yeah, we'll start. So span tag with the class badge success. Okay, we need to display something here. So that will be this dot props dot profile dot what was that? Followers. I think oh you need to open notepad. Long story again. Notepad. I think we have data. Let's see. Okay, so here number of followers will be somewhere. Yeah, this one followers. Copy. Where here followers. Okay, let me give some mx 1 or 2, some space left and right side. So let's make multiple. So badge primary, badge primary, and badge warning, and badge danger. So we have followers, repos gist to following. Okay, so repos will be here. This is repos gist, something called public gist. This is gist following, just following one. That's me only. That's my one more other profile. I have two profiles. Okay, and card body we have watch. This is UL tag with all the list items. Let's quickly do this, and then lastly we'll test it. UL li uh, list group, list group item. So name, location, email, company, name, location, email, company, blog or something. So name, location, email, and company, blog, member since profile URL, profile URL. So let's make this details. So it is just like this one, profile dot something, profile dot name, and same like this location. I think we need to fetch the location from where location, yeah, location dot. So location, and then paste it email. Email is, yeah, dot email. I didn't provide an email, so this is just email empty. And company, I think I have given my UI brains link. Can we give nice anchor tag? Yeah, looks good. Company. I'm gonna give an anchor tag because I can just open my YouTube uh, channel from this link. So let's make an anchor tag. href will be this guy. href will be this one, and target underscore blank. It opens in new tab, and let's display the same. Also, company means if you click on that, it will go there. Okay, company you can write static, no? Oh no, static dynamic. Okay, then blog actually I given the this one. This is actually Telegram link I given the blog because I don't have any blog. So let's make the same thing here. So this will be just dot blog. This is blog. This is blog. Right? Anything else? Member since I don't know where is the created. This is what member since. Okay, let's make this dot props dot profile dot member since that is created at something on 17. Okay, profile URL. Let's make another anchor tag again. Profile URL will be your HTML URL. That is this one. Okay, so this is the path. Not this. This dot props dot profile dot. Okay, and same thing. Copy back here and paste it. Done. Okay, so let's check now what will come. Yeah, go back here. Yeah, where is my application? Okay, fine. So let's say the Naveen Sagam search cannot read property followers undefined. Where is followers? Followers profile is undefined. Why profile is undefined? Set state profile. Some problem. Wait. Some issues there. 1 minute. Okay. Actually, when I click on first time search, not coming. Second time search, undefined. Okay, so we have to fix this. What is coming? Followers is coming undefined. Okay, I understood. Can we make optional this one? I think if you do this, if it is data is there, then you get it. Okay, let's try. And then for all, I think. Okay, let me try once.
Sir?
This is the meaning of optional. It means if this contains some data, then only look for dot. Okay, let's see. This is a quick fix. This is optional operator. Okay, let's try. MDO, some other guy. Okay, has come. Name and all not came. Maybe profile has not set. I understood. Maybe GitHub profile is there now. In the profile, see here profile is not set. How does you get data? Simple, no? Copy this. Yes, correct. You didn't press the profile only. How did profile contain data? Okay, anyway, we safe said we have added that, but we have to check this also, no? Like this. Do one thing, copy, simply paste it. This is we change to GitHub profile details. Happy. Now we'll check. Uh, okay, let's try. But problem is I do 2 times button click. I see MDO. See when I click on first time, not getting. Second time, getting. But this is not the case. But this is not displayed in a proper way. This is why something we need to check in the. It is not list the inline item, list group item, list group item. Okay, copy this paste. Okay, I'm in hurry. Okay, we'll go slowly, no issue. Almost done. Only repositories we have to do, and we have to fix that. When are we going to discuss about debugging? Debugging we'll discuss in the Redux. Redux, okay. Yep. But when I click on search is not working. I think I can fix it somewhere here, right? Can we get the username as it is and we'll provide here so that I can assign, so that I can get it, so that I can get it, that I can get it. Is it happy? Let's try. Okay. Now check MDO search. Wow, super. First time one click only come. But I want to write a names here. What if this indicates? Yeah, that is in the GitHub profile details. Yeah, here. So you have to give a indication. So followers, repos, guess, following. Okay, done. So this part is done. Okay, and then we have to make the other one. Repos. Let me try my name. Search. Okay, I got my details. Perfect. And GitHub repos is the last one. I think you can do this. Okay, I'll make it. GitHub repos, you have, yeah, push back to the main, this one. So this part is done. Let's go here. GitHub repos, you got the repos and go inside repos Okay, let's say React dot fragments. So let's display the repos in a card. We have to loop it because it's an array. So here I'll take a card again, card header, and then the card body. Okay, so card header, I want to have a heading. So p.h for your repositories. Okay, and in the card body, you have another UL tag and li. So let's give the class called list group, and this will be a class called list group item. But how you display is like this. So name stars, number of watches, name of the profile, I mean name of the repository. But this must be an array. Can we do one thing? Can we make a looping here? Okay, let's make a here. So this dot props dot repos dot map. I want to loop through map. Okay, inside you will have each repository. I can take each repo and return a JSX which contain the list item. In that I want to display what I want to display nice anchor tag. So let's say p.h3 or h5 in that an anchor tag in that repo name. Where you get the repo name? Actually, repos we have not taken. Okay, go online. What is the link? Do we have a link? Yeah, this one. Copy this, paste it. You receive data like this. Yeah, in this, can we copy? Okay, it's a huge data, but we are fetching only few records. 1800 lines. J for JavaScript. Okay, we'll fetch only few details. One is the name of the repository. I hope that's dot name. Yep, correct. Okay, so here repo dot name. Okay, and repository URL. It must be the URL. Where is the URL? I hope that will be HTML URL. Yeah, this one. HTML underscore URL. This is repo dot. Okay, and let's make target underscore blank so that I can open in the new tab. Okay, and then I have something is there, na? Badge or something. Yeah, this badge and this is one span tag. Okay, let's add one span with the class called almost finished 2 minutes. Badge success. Let's make stars 13 stars. Stars how you get? Okay, here starter count. This one repo dot starter count stars. The same way, just make btn minus primary, not btn dude. Badge primary. What was that last time? Watches. I think it's yeah watcher count. Copy. Quickly paste it. This is watches. Okay. How many stars? How many watch? I hope that's finished. Yeah, let's test it. We'll test and we'll see the flow. Okay. Yep. Back here. This is your. This is by default will come. Okay. No condition added. So let's say my name. Okay, and click on search. For one click only we got data and we got repository, but the problem is this is not displayed in a proper format and there is no margin top. Okay, we'll quick fix. Go to GitHub, GitHub repos, card margin top 3, and these guys what we do, I think you can do deflex and justify content around. Okay, I think it works. Yeah, let's do one more time. So MDO, this guy is a bootstrap inventor. This guy, you can find his details. Principal design, architect, he's architect at GitHub and creator of Bootstrap. And his profile you wanted, just click on this button. It goes to his profile. Yeah, this is his profile. Okay, and his one repository is Bootstrap. The whole Bootstrap what we are doing is here. Okay, Markoto. And yeah, company email name, guest number of followers, 19,000 followers. Okay, and his repository is Bootstrap. Okay, and even if you want to go to the Bootstrap source code, click on this link. It goes to the official Bootstrap source code. Here, this is the Bootstrap source code, and official website is this one, getbootstrap.com. If you go there, you get official Bootstrap website. Okay, so yes, we made it. And yeah, you can search for anything. I search my name once. Okay, search. Yeah, I got my name and click on the profile. It go to my profile. Okay, and yeah, this one company actually I given the my YouTube channel. So when I click on this, it will go to my YouTube channel. Okay, fine. And then yeah, blog chart. This I given my UI. Okay, this is UI Brains Technologies Telegram group. Yeah, this one. This is not for online people. This is for everyone. And profile. This also profile this button only. And we have all the repositories. See. And now you check some any website you want to search for. I think hippie mobiles. Anything you want to search for travel. Yeah, if you click on this button, I mean this link, it will go to the actual web source code here and you click on download. Okay, if you want to get the webstream link, where is webstream link? I think it is there in the UI. Yeah, UI development course content. If you click on this, you'll go there. There you can download webstream. Okay, so fine, it works. And you can search for something called Google search. You get Google details and you can search for Facebook. Everyone having it. Okay, so once you have a profile, you can also search your username and do it. And username will be this one, github.com/ whatever is there, that is username. Okay, so that's it. Angular, and Angular will have, I think React don't have. React is having with Facebook. Someone is having some dummy profile is coming for React. Facebook, Facebook having React. No, we have to search online separately and then we look for here. Okay, fine. So this is about GitHub profile search. Okay, enough. And the flow will be like this, same as it is the architecture design. What we have done the same way. This one app component root, and here we have this is the root for whole application, our app. Okay, because in meanwhile you'll make multiple application in the same app component, so that's why I have made it top level here. And then this is the search. So this search belongs to this part. Okay, and this GitHub profile is this whole concept. This card and this two together is GitHub profile. GitHub repos is this one. Okay, and the GitHub profile we have this card and this card, these two. Okay, and how the flow works is when you type something and click on search is we'll are making search in this. Okay, so as soon as I get the username, I am up. I mean, so I'm sending this state information to up level to the parent. Okay, so you can see the flow in the app.js. Yeah, it is configured here in that. See, in that here render GitHub search. Okay, so push username, pull username. So when you go here in the search, here this is a search box. Okay, in search box, when I submit the form data, it is calling submit search. Okay, I get the event and all. Now this particular local username what you have searched, that I'm sending to the parent, push dot push user props dot push username. So this is sending back to the GitHub. Where was that? I forgot. Okay, that will come back to this guy here, this function. Okay, you are providing it. Simple na? You have provided here, right? So from child I'm passing to this guy. So that guy will receive the data, and as soon as I receive, I add to state. And same thing I'm passing to these two to search for a profile, to search for a repos. So using Axios, I search for, and as soon as data receive, I add to the local state profile and repos. And this profile and repos, I wanted to display these two guys. Okay, so that's why I'm passing this guy profile, this guy repos. So how, where I passing? See here, say GitHub profile, I'm providing the profile data. So we have to state no that I'm adding here, and repos I'm sending to this guy. So what this profile is doing, profile is having nested with two components. So from here I'm providing to card and details. When you go inside profile, here we have card and details. So card is receiving through props, details is receiving through props. Okay, so how card is displaying is this card has received the data through props. So props.profile.url, this how your card has been displayed. Same way this one, and same way repositories. That's the flow. I think by seeing this diagram you can easily understand, and by seeing this also you can understand the components. Okay, so that's it, enough for today's class. And so tomorrow, don't miss, please attend the live session, because tomorrow we'll start with routing. Routing is the sense, till now we made only one page which contains only one component, but I want multiple links here. Whatever the link I click, that particular component has to be loaded. Okay, that's a complete navigation routing. But in that routing again, HTTP concept will come, because we want to get the data from the server. Okay, so I'll tell you an example tomorrow. Okay, so that's it, enough for today's class, and we'll meet tomorrow. Thank you.